Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. EliteEdify. Today we're diving into a classic that's making a comeback, the Honda Prelude. Known for its sporty charm and innovative features, the Prelude has a legacy that spans several decades. Let's explore what makes this car so special, from its historical significance to the latest specs and features. First introduced in 1978, the Honda Prelude was Honda's bold foray into the sport compact car market. Over its production run, which ended in 2001, it saw 5 distinct generations, each bringing its own innovations and improvements. Let's take a quick look at these generations. The first generation, spanning from 1978 to 1982, was notable for its sleek design and groundbreaking features for its time, including Honda's very first power sunroof. It came with a 1.6L SOHC i4 engine, providing a solid start to the Prelude's sporty credentials. Moving into the second generation, from 1982 to 1987, Honda made some exciting updates. This era introduced more powerful engine options, including 1.8L and 2.0L i4 engines. The iconic pop-up headlights made their debut, and the Prelude continued to push the envelope with advanced features for the era. The third generation, from 1987 to 1991, brought a modern design overhaul with flush headlights and a more aerodynamic profile. This version included a 2.0L DOHC i4 engine and even offered the innovative four-wheel steering option, enhancing handling and maneuverability. The fourth generation, running from 1991 to 1996, introduced the H-series engines, including the powerful 2.2L VTEC engine. This model was celebrated for its precise handling and sporty aesthetics, cementing its place as a favorite among enthusiasts. Finally, the fifth generation, from 1996 to 2001, refined the Prelude with better suspension and even more powerful engines like the H22A4 2.2L VTEC. This last iteration of the Prelude continued to impress with its driving dynamics and overall refinement. Now, let's talk performance. The Honda Prelude was known for its range of engines, from the modest 1.6L to the more robust 2.2L VTEC engines. These engines were paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, with some models offering a sport shift automatic for a more engaging driving experience. One of the standout features was its handling, particularly in models equipped with the four-wheel steering system. This technology enhanced the Prelude's agility, making it a joy to drive, especially on twisty roads. Inside, the Prelude always aimed to deliver a driver-focused experience. The cabin was designed for comfort, with some models featuring innovative digital dashboards. The attention to detail and driver ergonomics made the Prelude not just sporty, but also enjoyable for everyday use. As for technology, while earlier models had the basics, later generations saw more advanced features. Digital dashboards, improved audio systems, and enhanced ergonomics were part of the Prelude's evolution, reflecting Honda's commitment to blending performance with modern conveniences. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Honda Prelude, from its classic beginnings to its final refined version. This car truly represented Honda's innovation and dedication to performance. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or just discovering the Prelude, it's clear that this vehicle has left a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.